Rotary Club of Karwar and Seaside Karwar both were organizing with the collaboration of Sadhu Vaswani Trust, Pune, a free artificial limbs camp on 15th of May. We are organizing at Karwar from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and it is being organized our North Kannada district and also Goa state. And we learned that there are many amputated cases in Goa state, and we thought it fit that the information of this free artificial limb camp should go to the beneficiaries in and around Goa state. So I am requesting you all that the poor people who are not affordable to purchase an artificial limb which will cost from 5,000 to 30,000 rupees, and the Rotary Club will be providing it free of cost. Free of cost we will be giving. So I am requesting you all that this message should go to the villagers so that the beneficiary from villages should take advantage of this camp.